Hi guys, so this is an introductory class for how to program an Attiny. So the basic question that comes is why this Attiny? Why not an Arduino or something? So the answer to this is Arduino is good for making prototypes, but when you go for a product development, you want your product to be as compact as possible, as small as possible. So why not use this 89? It is small enough, right? So it is a 8-pin IC, and there are 5 I/O pins apart from VCC and ground, and one reset pin that is there. So I will tell you how to program it, as it does not have any programmer. How to program this Attiny? We will use Arduino to program it, and we will make this Arduino as ISP to program this Attiny. I will show you how to do this. So first of all, for you will have to install Attiny folder into the Arduino IDE 1.6 or whatever version you have. So let me show you from where you can install this. I'll share the screen right now. Okay, fine. I hope that you can see it. I will recommend to you to go to Tech, and from where you can download that folder. Scrolling down, you can go up to here where you can find this. Here you can see that for Arduino 1.6, you can download this IDE 1.6 as zip file. After downloading this, you'll have to go to the downloading folder where you have downloaded it. Extract it over here. Then you will get to see that there is a Attiny folder in it. Copy this folder, copy it, and now go to the Arduino folder where you have all your programs. It is in documents. If you don't have a hardware folder inside the Arduino folder, you'll have to make a hardware folder inside it. As I already have a hardware folder, I don't need it. So if you don't have a hardware folder inside your Arduino folder, make a new folder and name it as hardware, and go inside it and paste that Attiny folder that you had copied from the last tab and paste it over here. As you can see, I have already pasted, as I am using Attiny already. So now you are ready, and you will get to see that you have installed Attiny in your Arduino. Sorry, it is getting a bit slower. Okay, so previously you won't be having this Attiny as in the boards. Now you can find it. Let it start. Yes. Now when you will go to this boards, you will find that you have Attiny installed in it. You can see Attiny installed in it. So how to program this? First of all, we will have to look at the connections. Go to the Tech again. We will see the architecture of this Attiny85 and Attiny45 as well. Both are same. It's like you can use any of these, and pin configurations are same. So let me tell you the connections of this Attiny85 with Arduino Nano. There are, as you can see, there are 8 pins. One is reset, pin 3 and pin 4. Second, third is pin 3 and pin 4. Pin number 5 is pin 0, 6 is pin 1, 7 is pin 2, and this is VCC and ground. So the connections are: pin number 10 of Arduino should be connected with the reset pin of Attiny85. Pin number 11 of Arduino should be connected with pin 0. Pin 12 of Arduino should be connected with pin 1, and pin 13 of Arduino should be connected with pin 2. The VCC and ground are correspondingly connected to the Arduino board. So let me repeat it. Pin number 10 reset, pin number 11 PD11 to pin 0, PD12 to pin 1, PD13 to pin 2, and VCC and ground are correspondingly connected. Now you are ready. If you have made the connections, you are ready to use your Arduino as ISP. Now I will plug in my Arduino to my laptop. Yes, now I have plugged in. I made the connections and I have plugged in. I go to the Arduino again. Now go to the Arduino and go to the examples. There you will find Arduino ISP. You'll have to make the Arduino. Uh, you are about to program this Attiny, so you will have to make first of all this Arduino as ISP. So you will have to burn this program into your Arduino Nano. Go to the tools, make the board to Arduino Nano. It is already made. Processor to 8 mega 328. COM port. My port is COM 5 most probably. Then programmer to AVR ISP MK2. And now my Arduino is ready to be programmed. I'm uploading this Arduino ISP program into my Arduino Nano. It's compiling sketch. Getting a bit slower, right? Yes, being uploaded. Yes, you can see that it is done uploading. Now my Arduino Nano is ready to program my Attiny. So I will program this Attiny to blink an LED on pin number 4. You can see that pin number 4. I have connected an LED, and it should blink when I will program my Attiny to blink it. So I will again go to the examples, go to the basics. There is a blinking LED program. You will see that it is by default it is connected to pin number 13. As we don't have a 13 pin on Attiny, so we will connect it to pin number 4. Let us make it a bit fast. There is enough delay. We will make it half-second delay. For half-second it will be turned on. For next half-second it will get turned off. So we are ready to program. We will change the board to Attiny. We'll change the processor to Attiny85 that we are using. We'll change the clock to 8 megahertz. Now, the one thing that you need to see is that you need to concentrate on is Attiny by default is configured as 1 megahertz internal frequency, but you will have to configure it to 8 megahertz to work. So after connecting this and make this programmer to Arduino as ISP. So to configure this, you will have to burn the bootloader. If you haven't used your Attiny previously and you are using the Attiny for the first time, you will have to burn the bootloader so that it gets configured to 8 megahertz internal frequency. So I'm burning this bootloader, although I have used it again. So just for your sake, I'm burning it, the bootloader. It is showing that done burning bootloader. Now my Attiny is ready to be programmed. I'm programming this. This is compiling. Uploading. Okay, so now I will show you that the LED connected to pin number 4 of Attiny is blinking. I will go to the video mode again. Okay, fine. So let me show you that the LED that is connected to pin number 4 is blinking. As you can see, the LED is blinking by half second it is off, and next half second it is on. So I hope that you got the concept. If it is not working, video again and go through the video again and make the connections proper. I hope it was helpful for you. Thanks.